In this video, we will learn how to export Excel file. Go to the File tab, click on the Export option. In Export, have a two option: Create PDF document and second, Change file type. Okay. In Create PDF, you can save your file in PDF. When you click on the Create PDF option, okay, here you can save your file data in PDF. It's automatically saved as a type PDF. Here the extra some option available. Open file after publishing. If you don't want to open after the saving the file, okay, just untick it. The file is not open, is automatically save it. Okay. Then here some different option: optimize for standard, minimum size. Okay, you select the size and click on this option. There are some page range. If you want all page range to save in PDF or the particular page you want to save in PDF, you can select the one page, 1 to 2 or 2 to 3. Then select the pages. I select all. Then publish what? Selection active sheet. Of course, active sheet I am select here. Okay. Entire workbook also. If you have so many sheet in your workbook, you can entire workbook also convert in PDF. Then include non-printing information. Okay, document properties, document structure, tag or explicitly. PDF options, PDF compliant. Okay, there are some option you can select as per your required details. Okay, I just close it. Now just click on this arrow in tool, the map network drive, and click on the hide folder. Okay, user the folder is hide, is showing the only path in user admin download. If you want to change, go back again and you can select the this way the folder, which folder you want to select and save it. Okay, again want to see the old folder, just click on the browse folder. Okay, now you can save where you want and just click on the publish. The sales data PDF is saved. When I click on the publish, the PDF is not open but it's saved. Okay, if you want to check in the download, your sales data is saved. Okay, it means I just export this data. Again I go to the file tab and click on the same in export and second option, change file type. Here the various file type available, you select those you want. Suppose I select the template, then click here the save as option. Okay, then in save as type Excel template. Okay, and here not have any setting to save this type of file, so you can save is just click on the save option. So this is a way you can export your Excel file in different types of file. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.